Hey, we're still here at CSM. I'm Jillian McLean, your Student Assembly Director of Communication. And I'm here with Jeremy Curtis, our Student Assembly Board of Directors President.
Glad to be here.
So, Jeremy, what made you run for president of the board?
Okay, so one thing that I like to tell people is that growing up, I grew up in the inner city of Memphis, Tennessee, and I always felt like I was, somewhat behind. So when I got to college, I wanted to find ways to challenge myself. So even then, I was president of my fraternity, graduated from there, went to PT school, became class president there. So I'm always looking for ways to challenge myself as far as leadership-wise.
You like to be president?
Seriously. So, just wanted to challenge myself and then wanted to make a difference in the student assembly. One of the biggest things that I wanted to see students more so engaged with or getting more opportunities with is student debt. So I wanted to make sure that we can educate students on student debt, so I saw the student assembly as the best way possible for me to do so.
What are some things that you, yourself, and us as a board want to accomplish this year?
Like I said, just improving the membership for the students, building on what the previous SABA did last year, which is the Student Assembly Board of Directors. Sorry for the acronym. But building on last year's Student Assembly Board and just trying to make sure that we continue to accomplish and also gain what they did. So, yeah.
Well, good. What are some events that we're hosting that students should make sure to attend here at CSM?
Okay, so one big thing that I want everybody to go to is the general membership meeting. It's tomorrow at 6:30, Friday, February 23rd. It's at 6:30 in Chart A in the Riverside Hilton. So that's one of the biggest things I want everybody to go to. Also, PT Pub Night. That's going to be the best way for us to network as well. And then also at the end of the general membership meeting, we also have a social event planned where the students can connect with each other. So those two things for sure, general membership meeting and PT Pub Night, just making sure we're engaging the students.
Absolutely. At the general membership meeting, if you get there early and you find one of us that's on the board of directors, we have some free drink tickets, and there's also some small snacks that will be there. We're all students. We like to have a good time.
Yes,
and we'll kind of tell you what we're doing as a board, and then you guys get to give us feedback. You can be a voice, tell us what you like, what you don't like, and then get to meet other leaders. They're in the SIGs, core ambassadors, project committee chairs, and members, and then us. We would love to see you there.
Yeah, and also Dr. Sharon Dunn, she's going to be there. She's going to speak for a little bit. Justin Moore, the CEO, he's going to be there as well. The PT PAC will have a representative there to update us, and then like I said, it's going to be a good time.
It's going to be great. And I got to hit you deep with this last question.
Okay.
How, so far as being the president of the Student Assembly Board of Directors, kind of changed you and made you grow as a leader?
Okay, so one of the biggest things that I've had to do is make sure that I'm adjusting to different people's perspectives and attitudes. It's easy to take charge and lead the way you want to, but you have to lead for everybody else as well. Sometimes you're going to be uncomfortable. Sometimes you're going to make other people uncomfortable as well. But me personally, that's one of the biggest things that I feel like has grown within me. It's just making sure I'm understanding what everybody else is feeling, and also making sure that how I align things or how I envision things to happen as well are in alignment with the SABA members.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining me, Jeremy. Stay tuned for the rest of the
go.
conference.
No.
We hope to see you at CSM.
All right, thank you.
Of course.